Here's a fan that has aroused some questions on DT Vintage fans. This is a 30-inch SMC ceiling fan. It's basically a 30-inch 6-blade Grayton, Hampton Bay Grayton. It's made by SMC, and it's dated July of 1995. There's the tag and date sticker. Let me get you a better view right there. I have the wood side down because it's got stickers on the other side of the blades. And it's not that powerful. It wobbles a lot, makes a lot of noise. But Zachary Y on DT Vintage Fans has dibs on this, so if I ever get rid of it, it's gonna go to him. So here is low. Let me just speed it up because my camera battery's dying. Alright, well that's low. And now here's medium. It hums a little bit. Alright, now here's high. And it's going to start making noise. Let me get you a better top shot of it. But anyway, that is my SMC ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed the video.